the presentation of free energy generator or free electricity generator in combination with capacitor. In this combination we can produce electricity for more than one light. In my previous videos I have already explained how this free energy or electricity generator works, so today I will not spend the time for it. This capacitor will be used to enhance the electricity and voltage of the produced electricity. I will use for this presentation this LED bulb. LED bulb is very low consuming, and you can see it is not operating without, any battery or something like that. If we put it together with this capacitor, okay, there is also no operation. You can see I put it together, the cables, there is no lights, okay, so it's not working. So probably we can use this light. This is the same, okay, you can see it's not working. Even when we put it together with this free energy generator, it is not working. Okay, we can use this, and we will use this standard simple LED light. It's also not working. You can see when I put it to capacitor, it's not working as well. So maybe we can start with the presentation. So I will connect together all the wires so that we can try to do it. Okay, so this is connected. It will take some time. Please wait for a moment. Okay. So we are connecting wires. Okay, wait a moment. It's not so easy sometimes to put it together. Okay. So everything is prepared. It's connected. And now what is important, I will take these now the new magnets, and it's important to start this free energy generator to use it with the right angle so that it is pushing out the magnets and starting the rotation. So let's try the experiment. Okay, you can see it's very important to use the right angle, because then if you don't use the right angle it's slowing down. The only problem is that, okay, we can now use, comparing to my previous presentation, light for more light bulbs or bulbs, but on the other hand it's blinking because of this capacitor, so it has also a disadvantage. Okay, this is all for today. Thanks for your attention. In this video I will show you electricity conductivity in the water. Okay, so based on simple water basin and light bulb. So when I put these wires in the water, you can see the closer the wires are together, the conductivity is much better and the shining is much higher. The conductivity can be improved by salt, as everybody knows. When you put salt in the water, or the salt water, is much more conductive than the standard usual water. So you can see when I put salt inside, the shining or the conductivity of electricity is much better. When the salt is already dissolved in the water, the conductivity is the same in all parts of the basin, so you can see there is no difference if I put the wires closer and further from each other. Did you know that also fruits can be very electricity conductive? Just have a look what happens if we put the wires inside the lemon.
At the beginning the shining is very slow, but finally the shining is well after some time. So it takes some time until the bulb is shining well when you use the fruit as a conductive material. But finally the shining is quite well. You can use any other fruit instead of lemon, for example orange or apple or whatever fruit, or the fruits are very conductive. Did you know that fruits are a very good source of electricity? If not, just have a look at the following video that will show you how to use fruits as a source of electricity.
In this video, in this presentation, I would like to show you how to use simple apple, one apple as a battery for LED, how to use salt water as a battery, how to make the combination or how to improve the voltage based on combination of zinc wire and copper wire, and how to use only one tropical fruit as a battery in a much more efficient and simple way. First I will show you how to use the salt water for operation as battery and the principle how to increase the voltage. When I put this copper and zinc wire, one is cathode, one is anode, into salt water, we can see that this low consuming watch is not operating. You can see it's not operating. It's because it is producing maybe only half volt, this 1 battle, and I need at least 1 volt to operate, not half of the volt. So what I will do, I will arrange the combination of these two glass of salt water. I will put copper here, zinc here, and on the other side copper here and zinc here. Now it should operate. I will check it. Okay, you can see in this combination I increase the voltage to double, and it's already approximately 1 volt and it's already operating. So in this way you can make the combination of very different fruit with one fruit or one sort of fruit or more fruit together. For example, when I take this apple, when it's only one apple and I will put this cathode and anode into the apple, I can see that it's not sufficient electricity for this operation. But in combination with lemon, when I put it in lemon here, I will put this zinc wire in lemon, and when I arrange the same combination as I was doing with salt water, I can see that the watch is operating. It should at least, yeah, it's operating already. So in this combination I doubled the voltage as well, and it's operating. But is this combination, this 1 volt, sufficient for the LED, operation of the LED? I will try whether I will disconnect these wires and I will try whether it is sufficient for operation of LED. I will put the LED here and I can see, okay, there is no light, it's not operating. Okay, so I will put it aside. And okay, let's try to show how to use one apple for combination and to use it for this LED. I use for combination this one apple to combine copper wire, copper, zinc. So always put copper, zinc, and at the end I will put this zinc and copper wire. And I will try. In this combination from one apple, you always increase the voltage of each connection, and we have already now battery from this apple. You can see in this combination we already get sufficient voltage to light the bulb. You can try another bulb. Okay, you can see it's operating and it's producing sufficient light. But okay, this is very complicated. We should cut apple, we should connect the apple, and this battery is very complicated. But we have this tropical fruit, and this tropical fruit can be used as a battery only as such. Okay, so now we will try to do it with this one fruit. We will do Okay, I'll put the cathode and anode inside the copper and zinc, and we will see whether it will operate. You can see it's okay. You can see there is an operation, and it's already working. Okay, the light is not so bad, and it's quite stronger than in this apple. So in this combination we can arrange really, with this tropical fruit, we can arrange really higher voltage comparing to only one apple. And what's very important, it's only one fruit necessary for this light. That's all for today.
If you like the video, just don't forget to subscribe.